Launch X431 IMMO Elite. With 8-inch touchscreen, Android 10.0 SIDM, 800 by 1300 camera, 64GB ROM, 6300 mAh built-in battery, IP65 material, transmission rate is 4 times faster than other version. It has an independent IMMO menu, and you can see many car brands, click on each model, have corresponding anti-theft key matching functions such as password reading, key adding, all keys losing and anti-theft related module replacement functions. Support 90+ worldwide brands of independent anti-theft matching software and still keep growing. X431 IMMO Elite has an independent IMMO-PROG menu, and you can do car key chip reading/writing, EEPROM chip reading/writing, MCU chip reading/writing, EEPROM and flash reading/writing of engine ECU and gearbox ECU, etc. X431 IMMO Elite supports intelligent diagnosis and traditional diagnosis, which is covering full system diagnosis and full 10 OBD2 models. Through intelligent diagnosis, you can quickly read the VIN, quickly enter the diagnosis, and check the historical diagnosis records. X431 IMMO Elite supports all system diagnostics and 33 common repair and maintenance functions for most models, such as service reset, throttle matching, steering angle reset, tire pressure reset, ABS bleeding, battery matching, injector coating, DPF regeneration, gearbox relearn, EGR adaptation, etc. This scanner supports bidirectional control functions for most models, such as injector buzz test, idle speed adjustment, window lock test, door lock test, glow on-off, ECG on-off, etc. It supports remote diagnosis, which can help repair shops or technicians launch instant messages and remote diagnosis, making the repair job getting fixed faster. This OBD2 scanner can work with endoscope, BST360 and other expansion modules to make the diagnostic functions more powerful. It provides one-click upgrade of model software, public software and anti-theft special software. The software update speed is fast. We provided 2 years free updating once you purchased this scanner. This X431 IMMO Elite including X-PROG 3 immobilizer in the package. Combine with them so you can get complete programming function. It also including VCI, which supports CANFD protocol, and you don't need to extra buy CANFD adapter. And also support extended DOIP.